The Secret STEM Spy Academy activity is a great extension to our Zoo Challenge that allows kids to take the learning home. These projects are designed to do three things. First, they're going to reinforce the learning from the day's project. Two, they're going to offer a real-world application to the simple machines that they learned about in the day's activity. And three, it offers a game-based activity that can be offered at the home and engage the entire family in the learning process. The first thing in every project is to review the terms and the simple machine from the day's activity. In this case, the lever. Next, the students put on their little detective hats and they have to explore their local community and find all of the same simple machine that they can find out in the real world. In this case, again, like the lever, they might call out a playground seesaw or other levers that they can find in their environment. For the second part, or Operation B, your students are going to try to engage a family member, a peer, or a community member to participate in the next part of the activity. And their goal is to invent a simple machine, again, in this case, the lever, that would help somebody from their community in a meaningful way. Next, they'll take off their detective hat and put on their inventor hat when they try to brainstorm, design, and make a draft of what this simple machine or device would look like and how it would function. As an added bonus, your students can use basic scrap materials at home and try to build a model or a prototype of that simple machine. By the end of the project, they would have reviewed the simple machine, been able to explain the simple machine to somebody else, reinforcing their own understanding of what it is, then using what they learned and applying it to a real-world challenge and engaging family members and friends in a really fun, playful, educational activity. There are 5 different activities in this project, one for each zoo animal enclosure extension based on the simple machine from that day's project. We start with linkages and levers, and then move on to inclined planes. Next up would be pulleys, followed by linkages. And lastly, the wheel and axle. After the project is finished, we also added an adorable little DIY spy book activity. In this case, the kids get a chance to hone their fine motor and 3D spatial thinking skills as they build a miniature spy book. Both the paper and the instructions needed are included in the spy booklet. You can add scissors, but in this case, we'll show you don't even need scissors to do this little activity. If you want to see a great example of this zoo project in action, head over to our Global Student Showcase page where you can see second graders at this school doing all the different components to the Zoo Challenge. In the end, they wrote up their project and shared it with the 3DuxDesign team and won awards. You can find the resources for the entire zoo project, including facilitator guide, video tutorials, and the student printable worksheets on our website at www.3duxdesign.com, or reach out to us, info@3duxdesign.com, for more projects and guidance. And lastly, don't forget to send us your photos of your student projects. We love to share what little engineers are doing with 3DuxDesign all around the world.